Hello everyone, Mr. Shepherd here again, and I'm just going to go over some work that we did yesterday. Some of the people were finding that a bit tricky with the sums that we were doing. So we're just going to have a look at some number line work now, just to remind us of how that works and how we can use it when we're doing our addition and subtraction sums. Okay, so we've got Freddie here, and the first thing we want to do is count him forwards in tens. Now, we could count him forwards by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, to get to the 10. Or if we know where it is, we can just do that in one big jump, can't we? Now, where would Freddie land if we counted forward another 10? Okay, now on this number line, I've tried to make it sort of obvious where the 5s are, they're in blue, and then where the 10s are, okay, in red. Okay, so where is he going to land if we count forward another 10? So we've done 10, next one is 20, next one is 30, next one is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Okay, all right, what about if we were going to go backwards? And we've got Freddie at 30 here. If he was to go backwards 10, where would we land? Well, let's do it one by one first of all. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Okay, we did 10 jumps there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but if we know where the next 10 is, we can just do it one big jump, couldn't we? Over to 20. Okay, then where is the next jump going to take us? If we jump back another 10, where are we going to land? Let's have a look. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if we did one big jump back from 20, we would land on 10. And then if we go back from 10, another 10, where are we going to land? On 0. Okay, so let's have a practice counting backwards in tens. We'll start with 100, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Okay, it might be worth just having a practice sort of doing some chants forwards and backwards from 10. Okay, just to get back in the swing of doing that. Okay, right, so what about adding 10 then? If we're already on 10 and I add another 10, where am I going to land on our number line? Let's count it out. We start on 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But if we know where the next 10 is, you can just say 10, 20. Okay, what about if I added another 10 to 20? Where am I going to land then? Another 10 takes us to 30. Where would we land if I added another 10? Let's have a think for yourself. It's going to be 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Okay? All right. What about if I'm subtracting then? Okay? We've got Fred is on 30 at the moment. What about if I take away 10? Where is he going to land? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's going to land on the 20, isn't he? So if we know that, we can go 30 minus 10 is 20. What's 20 minus 10 then? Where is he going to land then? 20 back to 10. What about 10 minus 10? 10 to 0. Okay? All right. And again, if we count backwards from 30, 20, okay, so we start on 30, do it with our number one, 30, 20, 10, and 0, okay? All right, now, let's have a look at this sum. Now, we've got 16 plus 12. Let's do it on our number line, okay? Well, we know we've got 16 here, okay? So that's going to be our starting point because we've already got 16. So let's have a big jump to 16 on our number line. Okay, that's going to be our starting point. Now, if we look at 12 we can think of as 10 and 2. Okay, so what we could do is do a jump of 10 first. Now, counting it from 16 forwards 10 is very similar to just doing our normal tens. So we say 10, 20, 30, 40, but you'll notice same pattern. If you start at 16 and count 10 forward, where do we land? Let's have a look. Let's count 10 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to land on 26. Okay. Now, what do you think we're going to land on if we add another 10 from here? Have a think about it. 16, 26. What do you think it could be? So we go 16, 26. If I jump another 10, we're going to land on 36. Then we're going to land on 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96, and it'll be 106. Okay? So it's very similar to counting in tens. Right, now we've said that we can break down 12p is made up of 10p and 2p. Okay? Now what we've done here, we've started with our 16. We've done a big jump to 16. Now we've added on 10, haven't we? We've added on our 10 to get to 26. Now we've taken care of this. Now what do we do about our 2p then? We've got to add that on, don't we? So let's add on our 2p now. We're at 26, 27, 28. Okay? So our answer for 16p plus 12p is going to be 28p. Okay? So hopefully that makes things a bit clearer for our using our number line. It's going to take some practice, I think, to get back into the swing of that. And certainly if you do your counting in tens, try even counting in tens from a different number. Let's, for example, try starting at 3, okay? We're going to count forward in tens. Where do you think we're going to end up? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to end up at 13. Okay? Where are we going to go after that if we add another 10? So we've jumped from 3 to 13. What do you think the next number could be? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're at 23. Okay? So it's going from 3, 13, 23. What do you think's the next one going to be? Okay, 3, 13, 23. It's going to be 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, and so on, okay? All right, so just have a go yourself, maybe even draw out a number line and just practice some simple sums. I'm going to give you some things to work on, some sums that you can do. So if you will download a number line to where you normally get your resources, and then you can use that, okay? If you haven't got a printer, you can just draw out a number line with a ruler, okay? And then just practice some of these sums, all right? Just getting into the habit of getting used to doing those small jumps, okay? So starting with your first number, jump all the way, with this example, to 16, and then just do your hop of 10 and then another 2, okay? So think about breaking the number down into separate parts and then taking small jumps, okay? Your 10p first in this case, and then your 2p. Okay, hopefully that helps. Hope you get on with your problems I'm going to give you, okay? And I'll speak to you soon. Okay, cheers. Bye-bye.